Good morning. So, what I want you to try to do this morning, some of you may have done something similar to this in Maths Week. So it's like it's a treasure hunt basically, but you don't need to leave your seat. So this bit in the center here, okay, so the center piece is the question. So that graph has an equation, and we need up the top to find the equation that matches. Okay, so that graph, minus 1 squared, yeah. So that graph there is the x squared graph, okay? It's y equals x squared. So I would write down that this sheet is the H sheet, so I'd write down H, and I need to go and find the answer to this graph. So I've told you that this graph is the x squared graph, so I need to go and find x squared. I'm looking up the top. Ooh, I haven't found it. There's 20 of them. So, oh, there it is. Went past it. So there's the x squared graph. So the next letter I would write down is n, and then I need to try and figure this graph out. Okay, so you might need to go kind of this way, like kind of from, as in maybe onto GeoGebra or using your calculator and figure out what this graph looks like, and then go and find the graph. Do you know what I mean? So you should have a sequence of 20 letters. Now this will take a bit of time. Like you can work in pairs if the teacher supervising you doesn't mind that. You need to have GeoGebra out. You need to be getting these graphs up here, figuring out what these graphs look like. And then, so if you draw the y equals to x squared graph, and then you go find the y equals to x squared graph, which is this one, then you're going to draw this graph, the 1 over x squared, and now you need to go find the 1 over x squared graph. So basically, one graph links to an equation, but they're all on different pages. Okay, and the big thing is when you say draw this 1 over x graph, whenever you find it, you need to write the letter at the bottom. And the answer is a sequence of 20 letters, okay? So anybody who can send me the correct sequence of 20 letters by the end of the class, I'll give you points on the SFAR. Okay? Right, that's what I wanted to do. That is the challenge. Good luck.